To these niggas, I ain't talking about no head. If you ball, go get that Rogaine. Blow this shit up like propane. I got more bars like Jacob got more chains and more rings. Force this through your nostrils like some cocaine. Bars confusing, give them a GPS, they don't know where they going. For tomorrow's weather, when I make it rain, nigga, it's pouring. The game is like big bills and now I gotta go make more change. No amateur Apollo, it's me that you should follow. I'm proud to be a dickhead, it's my pride that they should swallow. I'm something that you'll remember, son of the king, call me Simba. Cold as ice, but I got your girl sweating in mid-December. Now I know that's a bummer. I'ma always be a stunner. I'm cold-hearted, got you wearing coats throughout the summer. Make you wonder, thunder, lightning. I go off, it's so exciting. I'm a cheating ass rapper. I'm kicking, scratching, and biting. Keep hating, I sick my pits on you. Discuss me how I shit on dudes. You could get, boy, I'ma eat your fool. My boss sick like I got the flu. Rap through space time continuum. Knock off my equilibrium. Sickening how I'm killing them. Post those flow how I'm sending them. Other rappers ain't got no bars. This here is for their charity. Stay straight in the mirror. Guess they thought that they was scaring me. Your wife gave me some tender love, but that don't mean I'm caring, B. Something like Medusa, and I bet your girl still dare to see.
Who are you? Where you from?
That's what the fuck I'm talking about.
Yeah, man, Brooklyn, man. Best style, do or die.
It's your boy Matt, aka Matt Blaze, the hood know me, represent Brooklyn all day, man. You heard.
All day.